Yeah.
Hi guys, so today we're going to be looking at how to remove a Sat Nav unit out of a MK2 Focus RS. Now I believe this unit is used in other Ford models as well, but just for the sake of this video, this is a MK2 Focus RS. So what you're going to need 4 of these radio removal keys. Now these removal keys I did just get on eBay, they were about £3, and these ones are for a Ford 6000 or 6006 car stereo removal key. What I did when I got them is I got some really fine sandpaper and just went over the edges because they were quite rough. Now I've never took this stereo out before, but it looks like it has been taken out because there's some sort of marking around the holes. So you're going to need 4 of those. You're also going to need a really little screwdriver. Now the reason you need the little screwdriver is because you've got your 2 slots at the top, but you've also got 2 behind these little covers. So what you want to do is just really gently pop these blank buttons out. Same on the other side. Now you want to get your keys one at a time, this way around, and you want to shove them all the way in until you hear that click. So it's going to click when it gets to where it needs to be. Click. Same on the bottom, same way around. You go into these slots until it clicks, and then the stereo just pops out. It is as easy as that. Now when you're actually taking the keys out, they do get locked in place. So now you can see that these keys won't actually come out because once they've clicked, they're locked in place. So there are a couple of areas that you need to be aware of to release the keys. So I'm just going to move the camera and I'll show you where those are. Okay, so first we're going to look at the bottom release. So there is this little piece here, kind of sticks out. So all you do is you press that in. It's quite stiff, so you press it in and then the key will just pull out. And it's exactly the same on the other side. You just push the little release catch in and the key will just pop out. Okay, so that's the bottom. Now let's have a look at the top. Okay, so the top ones are the same kind of releases. So you've got these little buttons on the side, which you just push in and pull the key out. You do that on both sides, and then all 4 keys have been removed. Now we'll have a quick look at how you pop it back in. Okay, so once you've finished doing whatever it was that you needed to do, you just gently make sure that you haven't pulled any of the wires out, or if you have removed any of the wires, make sure you've clipped them back in properly before you put the stereo back in. And you just want to gently put it back into place, slide it back, and then click it in at each corner. And what that'll do is that'll lock the clips back in that you released when you use the key, and that'll make sure that the stereo is exactly where it needs to be. You just pop these back on, and then you're back, and it's as easy as that. Thank you very much for watching. If you do want to see any more videos like this, I will be making some more over the coming weeks. Please subscribe to the channel, and if you could like the video, I would really appreciate it. Thanks for watching.
Yeah.